Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Razer Blackshark V2 to Xbox One. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content, and watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Then here you will see people spread their opinion regarding this. Did you throw out of the dongle that connect to the Xbox? You plug that into the USB and select Xbox on it. So we'll need to get the dongle which you want to connect to the Xbox. You plug it that into the USB and select Xbox on it. And here you will see one people says that, did you mean the black key that gave you in the box? Yes, I tried to put it both in front and behind the Xbox. But here something strange happened. When I put the key on the Xbox, when I put the key, the headphones are not connected via Bluetooth with the TV. The light of the headphones that it normally green when they are connected or blue, for when they still have to connect becomes a mix of the blue and white. It is always based on the keys. The headphones are connected but the sound does not work. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.